ang Urdu sa nagtatampo ako sa'yo? Ang Urdu ng nagtatampo ako sa'yo is मैं तुमसे परेशान हो. मैं तुमसे परेशान हो. Nagtatampo ako sa'yo. Ang paresan kasi is maraming meaning. It's depend on the situation. Yung paresan, nagagalit, nagtatampo, disappointed, unhappy. So, maraming meaning yung paresan. Okay? Yun, upset is number one. Maraming meaning. Pero, yan, in common, pag nagtatampo ka, you can say it, paresan. May तुमसे परेशान है. Nagtatampo ako sa'yo. Okay? I think I want to explain the different between nagagalit or galit. But in my next video. Okay? I really want to explain that nung una pa lang. But I think this is the time. On my next video, explain ko yung nagagalit or galit. Kasi yung nagagalit is slightly lang na galit. Hindi talaga yung galit na galit. Okay? Nagagalit in English is upset. Ang galit naman, strong feeling na galit ka, na parang gusto mo siyang sakalin sa galit mo. In English is anger. Okay? And I see that anger is gusa. So, there is the difference between nagagalit and galit. Okay? Explain ko yan. Not now. So, yun sis. Pag nagtatampo ka sa kanya, sabihin mo sa kanya, मैं तुमसे परेशान हो. Assalamualaikum everyone. Nandito na naman tayo para sa ating Urdu 101. Charis. Oo. For today, tuturuan ko kayo kung ano ang tawag sa Urdu ng sister, sister-in-law, and brother. Okay? So, first is sister. Sister is bahan. Bahan. Ang brother is bay. Ang sister-in-law is babi. So, yun. Pag kausap mo si brother, Mirabai, my brother. Or si sister, Mary Bahan. Or si sister-in-law, Mary Babi. My sister-in-law. So, yan muna for today. Ang ganda ng araw.